Hallootjes, leeuw. As you can see, the color of this week is orange. He has a carrot paw again. Hopefully 2 more weeks. So 1 more band is changed, then the week after that we're gonna make pictures. And then hopefully after that it isn't necessary anymore and we can go for longer walks. But for now, it's only going to the bathroom. Yeah, are you ready? I think he is. So we're back at that place again. A, to do the renovations pretty soon. B, because there was a guy who would help us with the renovations. And C, there's a lot of stuff in the van which last year we didn't end up using. So I kind of wanted to start the renovation vibe of this year by bringing all that stuff to our storage here. So the first and easiest thing that we're gonna lose is the receiver. We have been using it so little and it's such a big thing that the receiver and the screen on the wall are things that need to be dropped. We are super well off only using our laptops and this humongous installation isn't necessary at all. One down. Some of you might say, Jeroen, why have you built in a 5.1 surround system, get rid of the subwoofer last year and then get rid of the receiver this year? That makes it so that in your van, in the 4 corners, there's 4 non-functioning speakers. And to those I say, you're absolutely right. But I wouldn't be Jeroen if we didn't already have a solution. The solution is this thing. This only has a left and a right and a volume thingy, but it's really clean. It's way better for here and it's also way lighter. Less energy consumption. Win, 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 win. Let's install this thing. To install it, it is really easy. It only has left and right. So we just need to connect the speakers on this and then plug in via aux and then we have sound. I hope. Thingy, so might have broken it. So that was that for today. I'm gonna go home, get some groceries. My mom just arrived, so I'm gonna do some groceries for her and then cook dinner for the guys tonight. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
Hello, it's me.
A fantastic morning! Lisa's gonna explain what we're gonna do today.
So there are 3 big upgrades we want to do about the van, and one of them is we want to install gas in the camper van so that we can run the fridge also on gas. So we need a tank underneath the van, and today we're gonna look for a gas fridge.
Let's go!
One of the benefits with driving in your own camper van is that you can drive to your destination already the night before. So instead of a 1-hour drive now this morning, we only have to drive for 10 minutes. everyone! Normally we're traveling around in Europe, but now we're in our home country, the Netherlands, and we're gonna install an LPG tank.
For this we need the LPG tank itself, several hoses to connect everything up, our crash sensor and pressure regulator, an LPG gas filter, an electric monitor to see how much fuel we have still left, and an outside filling thingy, and some other appliances.
We bought a new fridge that works on gas, but before we can install it, we need to get rid of the old one. We don't like how messy this all became, so we're gonna think of something else for this as well.
Okay, you probably didn't come to see us uninstall a fridge but install a fridge, so let me make this more quick for you guys. And welcome back. This is the new version of the cabinet that we use for the fridge. As you can see, we've heightened it a little bit. Underneath we have our gas installation and the cables for the fridge. The fridge now has 12 volt cables to 30 volt cables and a LPG connection. So for installing the tank we are using these things. These things need to be mounted on the bottom. We're gonna do that right here. I already made 2 dots, so it's pretty clear.
Echt een mooie klus.
Trek vooral moeilijke gezichten bij.
Put this thing somewhere here. Now the tank is going here, so this goes the best there. And then next step is connecting this part with the tank, and we do that via this hose.
Leo.
Now we're gonna make a hole in the side of the van to give it some ventilation, and then afterwards connect up the fridge and make it so it is secure.
Ja, je kan hem hier zetten. Wow. Oh jee, oh jee, oh jee.
De camera uit.
Ik heb echt veel gedaan.